Hello, good afternoon, guys. I've been working into my garden couple of hours ago, and after doing my garden work here by pulling out the weeds underneath, and I was thinking myself, I got to take some pretty quick short video again after that. And this is my beautiful gorgeous red tulips that is always come out early of the springtime with the hair. So it's always come out here, this tulip pre-advanced, but some of my tulips flowers that might come back, I mean they might come out again later on, because it didn't come out everything yet, but some of them I think is kind of a bit later. Maybe give another about few days or a week later, some of the tulip flowers buds will be blooming a bit later on, and I knew that, and it's gonna be looking really gorgeous again into my backyard garden, and I'm pretty happy right now. And this is a lovely flowers here around, and this is the the uh, the blue hyacinth grapes. I mean this one here, they're really looking gorgeous as well. I quite love it. And I guess this is more tulips over here into the other corner of my garden. I just pulling out the weeds few hours ago, and it's not quite perfect yet, but I think when the weather is really getting slightly more warm, I'm gonna come back here again and do a little bit more work into my backyard garden, because right now the weather is still a bit kind of on and off, like pretty windy and chilly and kind of cold still really. But I expect this spring time it will be getting over soon, and I'm looking forward to it really. And I love to have a very kind of decent warmy weather in here, so I can do a lot of work into my garden. And again, I'm gonna show you guys my rosemary herbs flowers in here. So this is looking gorgeous as well, really looking gorgeous. So I got about kind of mixed flowers around here into my backyard garden. This tulip here into my pot, it didn't come out yet, but I had a feelings maybe after a few days or a weeks later that might come out soon as well. But this is it, what I taking some picture today. It's all kind of mixed plants and flowers that I had in here into the backyard of my garden. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.